question related to the touching circle, sir.
Okay, fine. So what we can do here is this way you should do Samarth. Understood? So first you find all
Yes.
these three things, and then the greatest side means greatest side is nothing but sum of other two sides. It may be name also may change. It's not all the AC will come. It may be BAC. Who knows, right? So first of all, we are just finding all the three distance. Then we see which is greatest one, and that should be equal to what? Sum of other two.
Okay, sir.
And better than that, if area formula triangle, you remember that is best option, half. And nothing to remember in this. What you should do, right here x1, right here x2, right here x3. And right here one bracket, right here plus, right here bracket, right here plus, right here bracket, and close. And this is mod. What is coming in between? No, this is not coming negative. If anything negative thing also come in between, that become what? Positive. So formula is x1 in bracket, right? See, you just go like clockwise. 1, 2, 3. So after 1, you should go to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 1, you should return back. So see, if x1 is start from x1, they should write what? y2 minus y3. Understood what I'm writing? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
See, 1, 2, 3. How to write formula? That I'm saying you easy method. Here you should write x2 is there, right? After 2, what will come? 3 will come.
Yeah.
Then y3 minus y1. See,
However,
after 2, 3 is coming, then 1 is coming, right?
yes.
Then 3. After 3, what is coming? 1. So y1 minus y2, right?
Yes.
That's it. If you solve this, no, area of triangle is, if you coming 0, it means that is a collinear. If area is coming 0, then it's a collinear points. Okay.
Okay.
Javian has sent 1 minute. Hmm. 1 minute. Javian sent that. Seeing the WhatsApp. Circles is coming for you people, right?
No, sir. Area is related to
Area
circle.
is coming, but not area is related to circles is there, sir.
So which chapter you are asking this one? Javian, related to which chapter you are asking this question?
So this is related to areas related to circles, sir.
Related to circles.
Sir, this is in circle, sir. Tenth chapter.
This question is related to circles only. See?
So like from my
Fine.
school, they have given a book in that they have mentioned about touching circles and areas related
Oh,
to
I know.
circles.
Chaitanya, no. Nonsense
Yes,
people.
sir.
Nothing will come from there. Out of syllabus only they will mention something and all. IIT level only they will do that. Okay, it means something apart from that topic only they'll go and ask. Okay, fine. Anyway, you do this. See two circles with center O and P. Radii 8 and 4. So this is having a 8 and this is having 4. Okay. Touches either externally, find the length of their common tangent. Common means you should find QR over here. You have to find QR. So how to find QR over here? That all you should think. If this is 8, so what else we can find here? This you can join like this. What we get? 1 minute. Which method we can do this? This you have to find. Anyone can say what to do this? You have to find the common tangent. As QR you should find common tangent.
Sir, we don't even
first
have the
find OP, sir.
tangents, sir.
Huh?
Sir, we
We
can
don't.
first find OP. OP equals to 12 centimeters.
How you got 12 centimeter OP? Yes.
8 plus 4, 12.
Yeah, this is 12.
Okay.
This is 12 centimeter.
Yeah.
The next, if this is 4, if we write parallelogram, if this is 4, this is also 4, right? So this will be 4 only, correct?
Right.
4 and 4 part. If we are going to make parallelogram like something, right? This line is there now. So if this side is 4, this side also 4 you can write if you're making parallelogram.
Okay.
So what is the length of this side? What is the length of SP? The same length will be for QR also. Understood or not? Because this is, we are making a parallelogram. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Praharshan, is clear what I'm writing here?
Yes, sir.
See what I'm saying, that we have made one line which is parallel to QR. QR is there. No, we made a line parallel to that. So if this line is
The value of SP is 4 root 10.
SP is 4 root 10. Okay, fine. 4
Yeah.
root. So just
10.
find by Pythagoras theorem. This is 4 and this is 12. So this is like perpendicular. So root over 12 square minus what? 4 square. Okay. So 144 minus 16. What
So
will
we
get
have to
here?
minus.
Huh?
We have to do minus right here. Just.
Minus. We have to do what?
We had to do minus, right? Subtract it.
Subtract it only. We have done subtraction
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
So 128. So 128, if you find prime factoration, what do we get? 64. 8 root 2 we are getting now.
Yeah. If we subtract, we're getting 8. I
Because
actually did
you
add it.
added. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
To see, don't miss these small questions. Maths means try to get out only. Do cool, man. Time will be there so much. If you do hurry burry, you will do mistake. So here answer is 8 root 2. It's correct, Javian?
Yes, sir.
Understood the concept? What we have to do here? Not getting.
So little, sir.
Okay, no, not little. Yes or no, that's it. 2 things will be there. Not little, not more. Exact you should get. See, once again I'm telling you, this they have given 4 and this whole thing they have given 8. Okay. So bigger circle radius is what? 8. The smaller circle radius is 4. It's clear?
Yes,
Javian?
sir.
Now what we are doing, QR, we are just making one line here, S to P, that is parallel to QR. So what is the length of QR? Same length is for SP also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I'm writing with blue color. This line is parallel to this line. It means this is like a parallelogram. If this is 4, so this side is also 4. Only Q to S. So down part is also 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm just drawing one yellow color kind of here. Now we are just seeing this triangle only. Now we are applying Pythagoras theorem, in which we know this longer side, that is highest, that is hypotenuse, and base also we know. So to find this perpendicular, we are using this Pythagoras theorem. After finding Pythagoras theorem, we got 8 root 2. And if you find SP, so that is the same length for QR also, and that is nothing but the common tangent QR. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? So many children left out. They are just going to do self-study, I think. Okay, fine. Next doubt. So 8 root 2 is there here only. Okay, fine. Next. So that you are saying collinear point is over, right? Now you want what you are saying? Which thing you told?
Collinear one and that middle one, centroid.
Centroid, no. The centroid formula is the same thing. What you know, no? It means all the 3 means x1, x2, x3, 3 things will be there in that. All the 3 points, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute. Location and all, why it's coming. One is coming something and all. In centroid, what is happening here? To find centroid like this. This is x1, y1, right? This is x2, y2. This is x3, y3. To find centroid in between, you have to do that x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Right? No, this only or something
Yes.
else?
So that's the formula.
And y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This is the formula to find the centroid of this circle. It's clear?
Yes.
So shall I give one question to find the centroid?
Yes, sir, you can give.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this point is A and this is given point as 3. Actually, this 3 coordinates is given here. 1 minute, I'm finding 2 coordinates. This question is given 3 coordinates. You'll get 2 coordinates only. X1, Y1, Z1 they've given 3 coordinates. Oh, 1 minute. Determine the centroid. Question is determine the centroid. Determine centroid of triangle whose vertices are I'm writing here only 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 1 and 7, 8. So this is very easy. Only nothing to do only in this, right? x1 plus x2 plus x3.
Yes.
Okay, so this was the very easy question. And other question I'll give you. The same only centroid part only. Hemant sir was started the class, science class that time when you joined the classes. Samarth?
Yes.
Hemant sir was started the class, science class that time.
Yeah, he had started.
You were reading science only that there.
No, sir, we were doing maths.
Huh?
No.
We were doing maths.
Achha, he was telling you maths only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I just people thought no message. That's why I just talk with Hemant sir regarding that. Shall I take or not? What some topic he was teaching to you?
Sir, he was teaching us basic proportional theorem, sir.
Achha, okay. If the 2, 2 are the coordinates of the center, you know that na BPT and all, no doubt in that. See, similarity part is the most easiest part in this taking. MCQ is coming means BPT is very easy.
The easiest part.
If it is coming in objective type, okay. 2, 2 is the coordinate of the centroid of triangle. The centroid of triangle whose vertices are 0, 4, minus 2, 0 and P, 2. Find the value of P. Find the value.
Sir, it's 8. Sir.
It's what?
8.
So it's 8. All of you got this answer? How it is coming? Answer is there. See, 0 plus minus 2 plus P. 0 minus 2 plus P divided by 3 is equals to is given no 2, right? So minus 2 plus P is equals to 6. So P is equals to 8. Clear, Javian?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, Samarth.
Sir?
It's fine. No, centroid and this one you understood, right?
Yes, I understood about.
Hmm. One thing you can also remember, one more thing. Centroid of a triangle. See, from vertex is there, no? Centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle will be there, no?
Yes.
This is very important. From the vertices you see, from this vertex, if you're seeing, no? So this divides into 2:1 ratio, that you remember. If whole thing is 6, so this part will be 4, this part will be 2, okay? You can mention this, very important, you can remember something. The centroid of a triangle, the centroid of, you can mention somewhere, don't remember anything, just mention somewhere in the notebook. The centroid of a triangle is 2/3 of the distance from the vertex, to the midpoint of the side, to the midpoint of the side, midpoint of the sides, okay?
I think you taught this already.
I didn't remember. Maybe, but we have done in this before, I think. Yeah. So see, this is divided into 2:1. 2:1. And this is exactly midpoint. So if anything is given, you can find it out, right? 2:1. By midpoint formula, if you know, then you can find this one also, right? If midpoint also, if you know centroid, this one, you can find this point also, you can find this point also. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
So it is not going to be centroid. You can just use that formula, like distance formula also, and you can find distance. Section formula you can use. In that way, you can find this. Any more questions?
Sir, can you like give some questions on areas related to circles? Tough ones.
Actually, area circles is very easily come. By C only you can do an exam.
Sir,
Don't,
like if it's like inscribed circle or circumscribed circle, like those things are little bit.
only something you add, something you remove. That's it. Something you should add, obviously, and something you should remove. Only you should remember that what we are removing out and what we are taking inside, right? That's it.
Okay.
That is easy actually part. Only see which part you are wanting most. Which part you should remove in that, which part you should take. That is that much you understood means everything you can do easily.
Okay.
If you want, I've having so many. This one, what you can say? Data sheet I got 6 sample paper I got right now. 1 minute. I'm just sharing with you. Somewhere I got that.
Sir, are the answers there of the sample papers?
Let me check. These are 12th class. CBSE paper class 11th. Super 20 questions are there. 57 pages. You can just go through it. 10th we am sending right now. Just see, I'm just sending in the chat box right now. This one, WhatsApp group. You can just go through, children. This is, I think answer is also there in this or not. Let me check. Answer is also there. Answer is also there. Marking scheme answer is there and all. Got it. Just check from here. Just refer this one if you're having doubt. Ask. See, so many are there with answer. Marking scheme means step by step answer is also given over here.
Sir, how like sir, at what percent do you think we don't even need to solve in the paper for board exam?
What?
Sir, like how much percent can we just without even solve, we can just take the answers for the paper?
Without solving. Means without solving the paper.
So, like just looking at the question, we can just get the answer right. So like how much percent of questions are going to be like that in the paper?
Around 35%. Something you should means without solving. 35% will be there like that.
So like we'll write like in for areas related to circles, we have to do a lot of steps, like not like that. Like
See,
lengthy questions.
which you're feeling hard, no, that only will become easier in exam. You just see. And which you're thinking very easy, no, that may get twisted thing will come. Remember that part. Which you are thinking irregular circles, no, it's hard. The exam will get pat answer you get. Fatak you will get the answer. You should guess only. Irregular circles you can guess also, right?
Yes.
So like that you should apply your mind. No need to calculate so much. So you're thinking, because here you are getting a lot of time, irregular circles, right? And how much questions will come from that? I think 3 or 4 marks maximum.
Four
Yes, sir.
questions are coming, sir.
Huh?
4.
2 marks.
No, not 2, sir. Like
4
4
marks.
questions are coming. 4 marks question.
It's mentioned in the here. What I've read, sent you this one. Marking skills is given that this one, page number 7. If you open.
4 marks, sir.
Mensuration is 4 marks, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So mensuration is that is coming under mensuration only. Mensuration is surface in volumes, right?
Sir, circles you put in mensuration as well.
Circles.
Some area related to circles comes under mensuration only, sir.
Yeah, and that is 4 marks then. So 4 marks means you will get hardly one some tough. That's it. 3 will be easy only.
Okay.
Or we can just leave that first a hard one for choice also, sir.
So you are having choices also, no?
Yes, so 50
Yes, sir.
questions in that we have to attempt only 40 and leave the 10 questions.
Then nice only then.
So more than 40 questions will be easy, right? Out of total 50.
More than will be?
More than 40 questions will be easy.
Easy only. Yes, correct. More questions will be easy only. And try to do from the last. Don't do from starting. When you are solving the paper, no. Try to somewhere from the middle and start off. Don't see from the first. Some 1-2 question they may give like tough question. No, then you'll get stuck there only. They'll do like that sometimes. So try to do from somewhere middle, or then you can go in the last like from first. That is better.
Check which section is easy and
choose first in 1.5 hour paper. 1 hour you just do all the questions. Try to do how much you know easy that you do in 1 hour.
Sir, like we have 1 hour 50 minutes, like in total.
Yeah. So in 20 minutes when you are solving, that time and reading time only you can just solve. Then just target. At least in reading time you will solve around 8 questions. Like that you target and do.
Sir, we can complete a whole section in that 20 minutes. More than a whole section.
Nobody will tell anything now if you write on that question paper.
But not on the question. They'll give a rough sheet.
Okay. Then nice only then. In 20 minutes you can solve. That mensuration only you solve.
That's what I was thinking.
Don't do mensuration. Do
so
easy
like
question.
In the end, I'll just finish off the easy ones quickly and just check this. If it's too hard, I'll just leave it.
No, you get a lot of time. If 20 minutes, you can do 20 questions, easy one.
Yeah.
Your trick is also fine only, but you got stuck in mensuration means the whole paper will go gone.
And I won't do that.
I'll leave
the hard questions for the end. If I'm not even I look at the question. If it's twisted, I leave it. Then again, I come back.
Man, you're saying no. Okay, first I'll just go through this one mensuration.
So like I'll finish all of the questions in 20 minutes. So I just that's.
If a starting will be nice, no, so your thinking power will increase. That you just remember. If your starting is going correctly, then your thinking power automatically will get increased. You see. And starting your thing once gone wrong 3-4 questions, no, you get demotivated.
So confidence will increase whenever we get it right.
Confidence will increase, decrease like that. And if starting you got correctly means in less time you can do nice questions means then you can just means automatically brain will start working. This also will come, and this also coming, this also come. If not coming, means nothing will come. So no doubts you are having, right? Similarity, you know, no area wala part, you know, right? Area is not there, but area of the triangle. Remember area of this similarity question. If area of triangle ABC, they'll give divide by area of triangle PQR will be there, no?
Sir, if area will be given, the teachers of the school told that you can find it by distance formula and then using Heron's formula.
What they will give in the question? Tell me once again.
Whenever there are 3 points given, like in the above triangle you have done,
Acha,
you can find the distances between the, you can find the length of the sides and then find the area by the Heron's formula.
अच्छा एरिया बाय Heron's formula तो पूरा दिन ले लेगा तुम्हारा. If you first you find all the distance, then you find, because this is not your this only should MC questions, right?
Yes.
That will take a long time now compared to this. Only half you write x1 y2 minus y2. So एक बार put, once you put, you'll get the answer directly, right?
Yes.
That one, that is correct only. That process is correct, but take long time. 3 times distance formula you should find first. If anything will went wrong, means that they're only gone question. Okay. And again, you should find S, semi-perimeter of the thing. Then you should find S minus A, S minus B, S minus, then you should find root. So long process it becomes, right? And here, if you know x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, simply you can put, right? Correct, no?
Correct.
Samarth.
Yes, sir.
That is okay. Anyway, just start the means you're doing the sums and don't go here and there. Just go one by one proper, chapter wise, or like if you're having doubt, you just tell me anytime. You can call me, message me. I'll just clear your doubts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Fine. Praharshan, Samarth. So tomorrow you do your exam well. Your exam starts at 10 o'clock, right?
11,
11, sir.
11. Okay, children. All of the best. Do well tomorrow. If you're having any doubts, you ask me. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, children.